We're back in business. On green. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So I just got a text from my tuner. It is currently 5:23 p.m. He told me, come pick up your turbo, it is ready. And I'm leaving at 7 p.m. And if you're not here at 7 p.m, well, you came for nothing. And he's like that too. He'll actually, like, if I'm not there at a certain time, he really keep his word. So I have to hurry up. It should be like an hour drive right now with traffic. I'm gonna go pick up the homie Eric at his job. Actually, I guess he got dropped off, so he doesn't have a car with him. So I'm gonna go pick him up. We're gonna head to Whittier, pick up the turbo, and maybe install it. Picking this dude up from work. Homie? We got a Z01 one LE right behind us. I really want one of those cars in the future, bro. What do you think? That or a GTR? GTR.
Oh, look, somebody crashed.
Whoa!
Right there, right here. Oh.
Whoa! Come on, guys. Damn, it's all bad. You can't park there. That shit is so hard, bro. I need one. Ran into a GTR in the wild. Sick ass fool. What's up, bro? You lucky I'm not in the Z? Why are you slowing down for, homie? You trying to run it? Alright, guys, we just pulled up. There's a couple of Z's here. We got a 370Z. We got Adrian's boosted Z. We got another rear mount turbo Z right there. I guess they just replaced the turbo on that one too. This one's built. I think it's making like 700 or 800. Got me, bro. I need to build mine already. We got another boosted Z over here. That's the same one that we tuned a couple months back. If the turbo blew up on the dyno. I don't know if you guys remember that. Rear mount turbo Z's. What are you staring at, bro?
350Z big turbo.
Shut up, bro. That was literally gonna be my title. The turbo is rebuilt, guys.
600 horsepower.
Brand new, pretty much.
650.
We're back in business. Now we gotta go home and install it. So this Z has a Tesla screen, just like the one I want. This thing is sick, dude. It's like a phone. I think I want one now, bro.
Yeah, no,
You guys think, should I get one? For the Q?
The next day.
So, we got this minion right here. Looks like we're installing the turbo today.
And it's gonna blow up. It's gonna blow up too.
Instantly?
Yeah.
Don't even say that, bro. Let's go ahead and knock on some wood right here. Let's go ahead and check out what they pulled up in, guys. So the homie got a Q60 on some gram lights. He literally just bought these wheels like 2 days ago, I think it was. Off of actually David, which is funny. This car is on stock height. It really looks good, dude. Like most cars, when you put wheels on them on stock height, they look ugly, and this one actually looks good. Can't wait to see it once it's lowered, bro. I feel like these wheels were made for this car. So we were literally in the middle of installing it, and we noticed that the shop gave us the wrong bolts. So now we're gonna go to Home Depot and get our own bolts. Here you go, buddy.
Thank you, bro.
2,000 years later.
God, I broke it.
Back from Home Depot. Problem solved, baby.
Did you really buy it though? I heard you got a 5-finger discount.
Pretty much.
Sponsored by Home Depot.
If you know, you know. Got the corn lady. You know we gotta get some corn.
I'm trying to upgrade the turbo. Upgrade the shit.
All right, guys. The turbo is semi-on. Gonna bolt on the bracket. Yeah. Be hitting boost again, baby.
No, it's gonna blow.
Hey, bro, don't even stop saying that's the second time you say it. Knock on wood. Oh. Knock on a virgin's head.
Vlog.
My boy Dave's gonna take over the vlog.
What's up, guys? YouTube certified. Hold up. Oil. Just kidding.
Fucking, I knew it.
Prime it again, bro, please.
All out to my boys for coming over and helping me out. For real, huh? Oh, whoa! Hey, bro, this is YouTube, not OnlyFans. I'm so happy, guys. I don't even know what to say. Car's back, bro. Honestly, I thought my car was gonna be down for a while. It was only down for like.
You gotta put that. You gotta change that to a G.
A G right there. What does that spell? Gay. Yeah, guys. I thought this car was gonna be down forever. It was only down for like a week or so.
5 days.
Like 5 days.
You're leaking oil.
Bro, stop. Stop playing with my feelings. So now, before I throw on this filter, I need to clean it. Probably gonna do that tomorrow. Go to O'Reilly's or AutoZone and buy like the little cleaner that you sell. Either that or just buy another one. Probably just clean it. Save myself a couple dollars. Alright guys, everything checked out? No leaks?
No, it's broken.
Stop saying that! How many times have I knocked on wood this video? That's not even wood.
Here's someone.
Shee! Came to Cane's. We brought Z. I don't know if we could.
We're golden. Huh?
Can we bring her inside?
I don't give a fuck.
I told it.
We're gonna.
I told David since he wanted to bring her, he's taking care of her. So let's find out if we get kicked out. David's getting all the compliments. We just got kicked out, buddy. We got kicked out. We got kicked out because of you.
Oh, I don't give a fuck.
No, we did. I never get the sandwich, guys, and I had to try it today. How do you feel like you got kicked out, buddy? They don't eat anything. Alright, so the homies are leaving, but I told them jokingly, let's get a 4-year-old. And they said they're actually down, so let's go ahead and see Q50 muffler lily test pipes versus the Q60 that's bone stock. Who do you guys got? So on green or what?
On green.
Alright. On green. Count it, you. Honk it! Honk it off. Honk it. Q60. So nice.